today we're going to Port Louis, the capital of Mauritius. So we're going to catch the bus. Is it the bus of Port Louis or no Catalogne? So from Flick and Flag, you get the bus every maybe 15-20 minutes to go to Port Louis. And yeah, the bus stop is just there, like 5 minutes from where we're living in Flick and Flag. And yeah, my god, it's very hot today. I thought it was the bus, so we're gonna wait here. This? Alright guys, the bus is finally here. So we're gonna go find a room, a place to sit. And when you go inside, you don't have to pay. When you're walking, you just go and have a seat. Thank you. You just go and have a seat, and then the guy will come and then you can pay with him. Merci. We paid 44 rupees per hour and 20 rupees for a tea. And this is the change I got. Who told me?
If you're looking for a fun and cheap way to explore Mauritius, then bus transportation is the answer for you. From Flick and Flag, you have a direct bus to go to Port Louis. It goes every 15-20 minutes, and it takes around an hour to reach the capital of Port Louis. There's also buses that go directly to Catalogne and go every 15 to 20 minutes. We heard that now there's a direct bus that goes to Brazil every day at a certain time, and a bus that goes to Cuba on Sundays only. The ticket costs around 40 rupees depending where you're going. Also, to be noted that the bus will stop 2 places before reaching the final destination. Here in Mauritius, the ticket is free for students and seniors. We recommend to bring small notes when traveling in bus. You'll pay your ticket inside with the conductor. And you should keep it safe, as sometimes there can be inspectors on board to check your paid ticket.
Bubbly. Je veux être sec.
Port Louis, being the capital of Mauritius, is one of the busiest towns on the island. A visit to the best markets in Mauritius wouldn't be complete without going to the lively Portruis Central Market, also known as Basil Poultry. Known for its variety, this market offers everything from local food, fresh produce, and exotic spices to handicraft and textile. It's the perfect place for street shopping and tasting Mauritian street food. The market is open every day from 6 to 5 p.m. We advise to go the earliest you can, as during the day it can be very hot and crowded.
So guys, if you're coming to Portruis, if you want to eat local street food, that's the best place to come. So you just come here and order on place. The prices are everywhere. You don't have to worry about. But there's a lot of people everywhere, so you have to queue up. You have, But it's very nice. You have all street food in Mauritius, just right here. Sweets, everything. You also get chutney, everything. Fresh baguette. Ti Puri. So now we're going to the market. So the market is just down there. You want to Alouda, Amelia? I think the green one, there's ice cream in it. Stuck. Oh my god, look at that. So many colors everywhere. Fresh everywhere. All our local fruits, mandarin, pear. Oh, we have cherries. Maurice, salmon cerise là. Que ça aussi? L'Afrique, merci. So all the fruits there, they are from Africa, not Mauritius. Huh? Itu finigan yang ni dia, no? Ubi itu finigan ni dia. Litchis. Red crescent. So litchis, it's like 250 rupees per. So it's not per kilos in Mauritius. It's like half a kilo. They sell half a kilo like almost everywhere. Laquelle est là? Bien la même. Checkers. I'm sorry. This one doesn't look good.
C'est système-là.
Lalu.
Hello.
Bonjour. Oh, that's nice. In Australia, we don't have the white cucumber. We have the green one. It's very rare, this one. Like songe. fresh poisson. And I think upstairs they have shops. They sell souvenirs, jupes, cigars, papayas. They didn't have cherries in Mauritius, but they are from South Africa.
Hey, banana. Allez, vieux talent.
Kalbas, lalu,
Ja. Da kaufen wir Vanille, würde ich sagen.
bread chouchou. It's been a long time I've not seen that. Green banana. So guys, we bought this one, Alouda. So that's a local drink in Mauritius. And this one was 60 rupees. And if you want to put ice cream in it, it's 65 rupees. Around $2, like Australian dollars. So yeah, let's try it. And there is some, I don't know how to call that in English, la mousse. Tukmoya. And tukmoya. Tukmoya, I think it's basil seeds. It's very nice. Oh my god, that's so yum. So refreshing. And guys, that's not all. They have fresh bullet meat, chocolate, salmon, mint flay, and with the leaves as well. Tofu, everything. Just look at that. Looks so fresh. Fresh noodle. They have spices as well. Oh, pepper. Curry. Bullet. Yummy. Almost there. Here we go, we have the steps to go up. So yeah, as I was saying, upstairs they have souvenir, they have morning. Good, how are you? So they have like, bags, bracelets. Oh wow, vanilla. But I'm not sure if those one are from Mauritius or Madagascar. But I'm almost sure those spices are from Mauritius. Yeah, so if you want to buy souvenir for your family, so you can come here and have a look.
Esa come utilizza una botta,
Bonjour. Oh, we got the same at home. That's what we were playing yesterday. We had a small one too. That's nice. Get-piment trouvé, poisson salé blanc, poisson salé sunu, all types of salted fish. So guys, you should press this one if you want to stuff. You need to cup your hands like in Mauritian island. You just have to press this button and the bus will stop. And you start Alouda. was a tiring day. We had like 3 hours in Port Louis, walking everywhere, doing some shopping, and it was so hot, guys, and so many people everywhere. Yeah, so we made it.
Yes.
So let's
Very hot.
see if this one gonna stop or they're gonna go. Thank you. Yeah, he stopped. So at this time of the year, it's very busy everywhere. So people are doing shopping for Christmas, New Year, and all festivals ahead. So I would advise to be careful when you go to Port Louis or anywhere. Just be careful about your money, about your belongings and everything. So you never know, because pickpockets are everywhere. So better be careful. And this is our chaturanga in Mauritius. We call it flamboyant. It's here every, I think, December, maybe January as well. So beautiful. So red. Oh, what's this thing? That's the seeds, maybe. So now we're walking to go to our place. It's not very far from the bus stop. It's like maybe 5 minutes of walk.
Thank you for watching, guys. We hope that you like our video. Thank you heaps to the new subscribers on our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.